Yeah, look at this crazy shit I'm catching on film right here at work. It's freaking like 2:30 in the morning. 2:30 in the morning. And there's this big old white patch just glazed over the moon like that. Do you see that? Hold on. You don't see that all the fucking time, and people are like, oh, whoop-de-doo, no big deal. I'm not playing. Look at this weird ass shit. That's like a tornado in the sky pointing downwards towards the ground. You think I'm tripping? Look at that shit. You guys think I'm tripping? I'm not making this up. It's not a fake video. That shit is for real. And it looks like there's another one back up coming after. And then do you see that light way over there? It's right there.